Good morning. Is it from Zetster's Lab? I'm in my piggy day. That's what we call it when you just are very relaxed and no makeup, no everything. You are just chillaxing around the house. This is how I feel today. But when I entered our flatlet that we created the last couple of years to take some photos for Airbnb, I thought, let me show you this. I've never shown you our flatlet. If you think I am creative, you should see my husband. He's the perfectionist and he's the detailed man, and it took him 2 years to finish this flat. But let me show you why. So most of the things in this flatlet we've created. This was his office years back, and I'll come back to this. And this was the braai room where we braaied. So one day during COVID, I decided, but hubby, why don't we change this into a flatlet? It's going to take us 2 weeks. It's not a big job, blah, blah, blah. Well, it took us 2 years. But it is absolutely a work of art. There's Bella Blops, our dog. So most of the things in here we've either inherited, got from friends, bought at charity shops and created. So this is actually, we used what we have once again. So this is just the table. Okay, let's start with the table. Husband created this round, I think there's 8 sides, Oregon pine table from wood that he got somewhere. A house that he broke down or something, so that is that. Look at the beautiful table. I made the tablecloth. We went to visit the kids and I saw something like this. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go and buy the cheapest cloth fabric I can find. Just anything, and then put it together. I didn't want it to fit. Not at all. The challenge to me was to make something that goes with what I found. So this is a terrible, crazy tablecloth.